welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for BYOP, or Build Your Own Palette. It is a theme that Dana and I submitted for the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group, Pan That Palette theme, and it did not win, but it went pretty darn far, and we decided we wanted to do it anyway, in our own way. And so we are doing it. We are doing our thing. We have each created a small magnetic palette. We are doing 9 shadows, but it doesn't matter how many you pick. We just happen to choose 9, and we are working on them slowly. The goal is whatever you want it to be. It can be just to hit pan, which is what I'm doing this year. It can be to finish some, hit pan on others, just get some usage on some. Doesn't matter. The goal is completely up to you. This is a no pressure, just kind of chillaxed project, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We're going to keep this going even after the end of the year and just do our own thing and kind of make this a forever project, if you will. And there are some people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. If you would like to join in, of course, we would love to have you on this panning journey. This is just a nice low-key kind of project, so that if you are a slower panner, that's okay, because there's no time limit on this one. All right, I'm very excited because this year, this calendar year, 2023, I am just trying to hit pan on things. That may change and probably will change next year. And I have 3 new pans, which is kind of crazy because I only have 9 shadows in here. 3 new pans makes me very, very happy. And one of them I actually hit today. I do have it on my eyelids. And let's do this. Let's do this thing. I'm just going to show you the order in which I hit pan. The first one is Coastal Scents Hot Pot and Peach Puff. I will have an overlay so you can see the pan, which is right here. I really did like this one a whole lot. I've actually panned one of these before. This is the second one that I've ever owned, because once I panned the first one, I'm like, I gotta have it again. And now I can't get it anymore, but it's okay. I'm sure there's other shades out there that are very similar to that one. The next one that I hit pan on was actually yesterday, and this is from the NYX Sex Bomb Femme Fatale palette. I originally thought it was from Street Style, but then I had to go back and look. It's actually from the Sex Bomb Femme Fatale, and I have pan on it down here in this corner. So that one is rolling out now. And the one that I have on my lids today is this gold right here. I feel like I brought this in last update, or maybe the update before, within the last 2 months. This is from the Too Faced Rock and Roll palette. I can hear my dog back there scratching, or one of my dogs. This is wrap, and I have pan on it. This is another one where I had baby pan that in a photograph really wasn't showing. I could actually see it if I was like looking with the naked eye. I could see it if I just turned the angle like perfectly, but it was not going to show up in a photograph too easily. So I used it again, and I have like real official pan on that one. So those 3 are rolling out, and now we have to go over the rest of this palette. I have 3 naked spots there. The first one is, I have to pull them out because they're not in order on my spreadsheet as things are falling. This is light pink, and let me put this one back in here. I do have this on my inner corners today. Got a baby dip going in there. I'm just going to keep working on it. That is one of the newer ones that I've put in here within the last few months. This one down here is the Coastal Scents Violet Mica Powder. I have used this a few times since the last time. Just the smallest dip in there, that one's going to take forever because it works like a topper. The red I do have all over my eyes today. This is Pomegranate Red. And I definitely have expanded the dip in there. Hopefully I will have pan on that sometime soon. Lavender, I haven't touched it. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I probably should roll it out, but I don't want to give up on it yet. Bright Neon Pink, I have definitely expanded the dip in this one. I am making good progress on that one. Much like the red, I feel pretty confident in the next 2 updates or so I could probably have pan on both of those. And then the last one, this is the Chrome Carmine Mica Powder from Coastal Scents, and I don't think I've used that at all since the last update, which is pretty sad. Just pretty sad. So I'm going to show you the 3 new shadows that I'm going to bring in. My puppy is like, I want to get out. She's like all wound up today because we've had severe thunderstorms, we've had tornado warnings. It's been a day. Power outages, you know how that goes. So she's a little amped up. So I'm gonna have to go comfort her in a few minutes. But I want to finish this up really quick because I don't know if that storm's coming back. So let's start with the first one. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Mauve. This to me is not mauve, but if they say it is, then it is, I'm sure. So I would like to hit pan on this one. It might have been swatched at some point, but it doesn't even look like it. It looks pretty new. Yeah, it looks pretty new. The next one is not new. Definitely have a small dip in this one already. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Midas Gold. I've just been wanting like that mustardy kind of yellow lately. So yeah, that one to hit pan, everything to hit pan. And then this is another one from the Depotted Bubs Beauty Bee palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is the shade Charismatic. There is a tiny dip in here, so I want to continue on that dip and see if I cannot hit pan on that. And I feel like all of these would work very well together. I'm going to swatch them for you. The one is a matte shade, kind of like a matte, but with a little bit of glitter in it that doesn't transfer. Those are the 3 shades. I think they're going to work very, very well together, so hopefully I can make some looks. I don't know what it is. I've been really into fall looks this year, even in the spring and the summer. I don't get it, but I'm enjoying the colors, so I'm just going to go with it. If that's what I'm feeling, that's what I'm going to go with. So those are the shades that I'm going to be working on. Let me pop them in here and show you what the new palette looks like for this month. And we'll see if I can hit any new pans by the next update. My goal is always to have something roll out. I was not expecting 3 rolling out this time, but you know, I'm not very mad about that one. All right, definitely go check out Dana since she was like the co-conspirator in this theme for this year. She's going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined in. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.